Imagine waking up not in a house, not in a van, but in a machine that's part motorcycle, part spaceship, and entirely your personal mobile sanctuary. Welcome to the future of freedom. This is the 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. You hear the low hum of its electric motor coming to life, and the sun gently cuts through the panoramic electrochromic roof that darkens or clears up with a voice command. No more blinds, no more curtains. Just you, technology, and the open road. And this isn't just a machine for travel, it's a revolution in how we live, move, and explore the world. Now imagine this: 3 wheels, 1 dream. The front wheel takes the lead like the prow of a ship slicing through the wind. The 2 rear wheels stabilize your life on the go. The entire chassis? Crafted from ultralight carbon titanium weave, stronger than steel, lighter than a whisper. And the ride? Smooth like floating on a cloud, thanks to adaptive smart suspension that reads the terrain 500 times per second. Gravel, snow, sand, it doesn't care. It just keeps going. The cockpit looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. A circular steering pod replaces the old-fashioned handlebars. Holographic gauges project your speed, battery life, and navigation onto a floating display, customizable in real time. Want a classic analog look? Done. Prefer a Star Wars-style head-up interface? You got it. It even monitors your heart rate and stress levels, adjusting lighting and seat position automatically to keep you calm and focused. Slide your finger across the armrest and the side panels unfold like origami, revealing the camper's true magic. Out pops a mini deck, retractable solar wings unfurling silently from the roof. The whole transformation feels like a transformer in real life. People stop and stare. You smile. You're used to it by now. Step inside and you're in another world. The interior, although compact, feels expansive. Soft ambient lighting follows your movement. The walls are covered in modular panels. One moment they're shelves, the next they're screens showing weather updates, location stats, or even a fireplace simulation. Cozy. Functional. Futuristic. The sleeping pod? It's built into the rear curve of the Trike body. Just press a button and the memory foam mattress inflates, adjusting to your preferred firmness. A skylight lets you sleep under the stars, no tent needed, no bugs, no worries. If it rains? The electrochromic roof seals and mists with calming lavender scent. You'll probably sleep better here than you do at home. And let's talk kitchen. Yes, there's a kitchen. A sliding drawer reveals a dual induction cooktop, a compact sink with retractable faucet, and even a tiny fridge/freezer combo with smart inventory. Forget guessing if you have milk, your fridge tells you, and even suggests recipes based on what you've got. And that's just the beginning. The bathroom is where most RVs compromise, but not this one. A fold-out privacy pod offers a dry flush toilet, a zero-water sonic shower system, and self-cleaning walls. It sounds crazy, but it works. You step out cleaner, drier, and fresher in 60 seconds flat. The water you do use? Filtered from rain or even humidity in the air, purified, recycled. Off-grid has never felt so luxurious. Now, what powers all this? Underneath the Trike is a next-gen graphene battery system that charges from solar, regenerative braking, and even wind turbines that pop out during extended stops. One full charge can take you over 700 kilometers. With the solar wings active, you could stay off-grid for weeks. And if you do hit a charging station, 80% charge in 15 minutes thanks to its 800-volt fast-charging tech. But the best part isn't even the tech. It's the feeling. The sense that you're not stuck in traffic, boxed into routines, or buried under bills. You're flying down the coast, wind in your hair, destination unknown, and that's the whole point. This isn't about getting somewhere fast. It's about savoring every curve, every sunrise, every hidden forest trail and desert overlook. This camper trike isn't for everyone. It's for the dreamers, the explorers, the rebels who want to live large on 3 wheels. It's for the couple who wants to wake up by a mountain lake and cook breakfast to the sound of birds. It's for the solo traveler looking to find peace, perspective, and the perfect stargazing spot without checking into a hotel. And did I mention, it's fully autonomous too? Yep. Engage Zen mode, recline the pilot's seat, and let the AI do the driving. It follows terrain, avoids obstacles, and even picks scenic routes based on your mood.